With Nextiva Call Pop, agents will see caller information in a new pop-up window within the CRM. This convenient feature allows the agent to immediately identify if a caller is already in their system so the agent can quickly access account, sales, or case information. This simple feature saves users time, improves productivity, and provides a more positive experience for the customer since they no longer have to identify themselves every time they call a provider. While working in the CRM, incoming calls will display in a new pop-up window with the name, phone number, and any known account information about the caller. The agent can then click the green phone icon to answer the call or let the call roll to voicemail. Answering the call allows the agent to view any contacts, accounts, and cases associated with the caller. If none are actively tied to the caller previously, the opportunity to add these is at the agent's fingertips. If these features are added during a call, or if the agent needs to otherwise research the user's profile in the CRM, the Call Pop window instantly minimizes to the corner of the screen for easy access and constant call control.